Hey there, jobbers. You know me, Mike Rowe, and I'm all about finding good value for your hard-earned money. Today, we're diving into the world of Amazon Prime to see what all the fuss is about. Now, Amazon Prime is like that superstore everyone loves, but with a VIP pass. It's got millions of members, and let me tell you, they're onto something special. Think of it like this. Remember those old-school video stores? You'd pay for each rental, right? Well, Amazon Prime is like having a membership card to the biggest video store on the planet, plus a whole lot more. We're talking free shipping, exclusive deals, and even music streaming. It's a jungle out there in the world of online shopping, but Amazon Prime tries to make it a little easier to navigate. Let's be honest, folks, who doesn't love free stuff? That's one of the biggest perks of Amazon Prime free shipping on millions of items. No more calculating minimum orders or paying extra for 2-day delivery. Just click, buy, and wait for that familiar brown box to arrive at your doorstep. But wait, there's more. Prime members also get access to exclusive deals and discounts. We're talking lightning deals that disappear faster than a plumber on a Friday afternoon, and early access to sales that'll make you want to slap your mama. In a good way, of course. And if you're a bookworm, Prime Reading gives you a rotating selection of free books and magazines. It's like having a library card, but without the late fees. Alright, let's talk entertainment. Amazon Prime Video is like Netflix's cooler cousin. You get access to thousands of movies and TV shows, including some original content that'll knock your socks off. From award-winning dramas to hilarious comedies, there's something for everyone in the family. And if you're a music lover, Prime Music has got you covered. Stream millions of songs ad-free, from classic rock to the latest pop hits. You can even download songs for offline listening, perfect for those long commutes or flights. It's like having a jukebox in your pocket, but with way more variety. Section 4, Amazon's growing family. A look at the numbers. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Mike, but how many people are actually using this thing? Well, hold on to your hard hats, folks, because the numbers are staggering. Amazon has over 200 million Prime members worldwide. That's more people than the entire population of Brazil. And it's not just the number of users that's impressive. Amazon's revenue has been steadily increasing year after year. In fact, they're on track to become the first trillion-dollar company in history. That's a whole lot of dough. It's clear that Amazon Prime is a major player in the world of e-commerce and entertainment. Section 5. Prime Time. Your ticket to the good life. So, there you have it, folks. Amazon Prime is like that trusty toolbox you keep in your garage. It's got a little bit of everything you need to make your life easier and more enjoyable. From free shipping to endless entertainment, it's a one-stop shop for all your online needs. Now, I'm not saying you need to run out and sign up for Amazon Prime this instant. But if you're looking for a way to save time, money, and maybe even a little bit of sanity, it's definitely worth considering. After all, in the words of the great philosopher Ferris Bueller, life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. And with Amazon Prime, you can do just that without ever having to leave your couch.